3 months later, the Israelites reached Mount Sinai, found the Lord, and lightning flash of big crown covered the mountain. God called Moses to the top of the mountain. God said, I am the Lord your God who brought you out of Egypt, and no other God but me. Do not make war or worship idols. Do not misuse the Lord's name. Rest on the seventh day, keeping holy. Honor your father and your mother. Do not murder. Be faithful to your husband or wife. Do not steal. Do not lie. Do not want your neighbor's thanks. If you obey all my commands, you and your descendants will prosper forever. Forever. Father, forever. 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 God rest the God rest and two stone tablets and gave them to Moses. And God told Moses how to build a special tent. God special tent. Special tent. The Israelites worship God there. God there. God there. God there. God is cloud moon and when cloud over the tent, whenever the cloud move, the people, the people packed up and followed